Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a quick and easy way to keep your shower glass doors clean, you gotta try this shower squeegee from Ettori. It's a 10-inch squeegee in the beautiful matte black finish. This squeegee is very well made. It has a nice weight to it. It's heavy duty, but without looking too bulky. And we've had it for a couple of months. The paint hasn't come off at all, and it works really great. We love using it in the shower because it just leaves your glass doors looking spotless with no streaks. It's very comfortable to hold, and the short handle makes it easy to use. You can use it for your car glass windows, your glass mirrors, any glass really. It does a really great job, and I love that they provide you with two different types of hooks. We opted for the suction hook, which sits perfectly at the top of our glass doors. So if you're in the market for a shower squeegee, definitely check out this one from Ettori. It's a really nice size. It's a really nice sleek design, and it helps you get the job done quickly and easily. And that's my point of view.